Hindi ka tamad, Beshi. Baka lang hindi mo gusto yung pinag-aaralan mo. Sounds familiar? Same. Lumaki ako sa bansang third world country, sa Pilipinas. Sa klase na ginawa batay sa blueprint ng iba. Yung curriculum, galing sa mga Amerikano. Education system, rigid. The learning, conditional. Pero kahit na ganon, I still fell in love with knowledge, with learning. I was that student na kahit walang assignment, nag-research pa rin. I loved connecting ideas, asking questions on the internet, learning for learning's sake. Although, most of the things that I would search were about the social sciences, about the human person, about human sexuality. But the system didn't care about wonder. Didn't care about those things at that time. It cared about obedience, about milks. It cared about PISA, about not exams. So, naturally, we had to memorize and recite. But even then, we would forget. And then the cycle would continue. No one ever asked, or if there were, only a small amount of people would ask, what do you want to learn today? What do you want to learn that is relevant to your community, to your person? Kaya ngayon, bilang e-service teacher, my philosophy is student-centered, existentialist, and humanist. I believe na lahat ng tao ay may natural na ganang matuto. Hindi tayo kailangan pilitin para matuto. Ang role ng teacher bilang facilitator sa classroom ay to spark curiosity. Gumawa ka ng safe space para sa estudyante na maging malayang magtanong, maging bukas, so that all students will choose to learn. Because learning isn't about control. It's not about corporal punishment. It's about connection. And the best kind of learning comes from curiosity. It comes from within. Katulad ni Montessori, Maxine, Neil, I believe in freedom and individuality. We're not here like factories to mass produce students. We're here to help them become themselves. So dapat ang tinuturo sa klase ay hindi dapat kung ano ang isipin. Bagkus, ituro natin kung paano ba mag-isip. Lahat tayo may unique path. At bilang guro, it's our responsibility to help students take those paths easier. Destiny is a choice, not a script. I don't believe that destiny is predestined. So if you are a student na feeling mo mababa ka kasi hindi ka academic enough, hindi ka academic achiever, the truth is, you were never the problem. Well, some might argue that partially or fully it is your problem, but primarily for me, you were not the problem. Never been. And if you're a future teacher like me, let's stop asking how to make students follow rules. Let's stop asking students to be rigid, to be like machines, like robots. Ayaw natin sa AI, diba? Takot tayo sa AI. And then you're gonna treat your students like an AI. So parang hypocritical. Let's ask how to make them feel free to learn. Let's decipher how to make them curious. Let's discover. Let's ask them what makes you want to learn. Because freedom is where real education starts. Again, hindi ka tamad, Besh. Baka lang iba ang gusto mong matutuhan. Now, go. Be the teacher you needed when you were the student. Bye!